The Streng Plastic company is a family business with its headquarters near Zurich. We produce piping systems for wastewater, supply and cable protection. As supplier of whole systems, we have a large variety of very different parts in logistics. Our warehouses were bursting at the seams, and we just had to do something about it. We had to get the maximum from the limited space available here and make sure that the logistic processes remain integrated. Jungheinrich was the only company here in Switzerland who was able to solve all three problems we had. These being the forklift truck, the racking system, and the warehouse management system. No one else was able to offer a complete package like this. In order to handle the logistics process, we first need racks to store pallets. Then we need vehicles for storing and retrieving whole pallets. And we need vehicles and means of order picking. For goods in and goods out, we need further forklift trucks. The warehouse management system controls the combination of all these activities. The processes are optimized via warehouse navigation. The host system is our ERP system. The orders come from there, and the results have to be registered there, so that all the logistics of the company are correct, broadly speaking. If we examine the warehouse processes, the goods-in process comes first. Afterwards, the pallets are taken to the transfer areas. In the next step, the pallets are picked up by a narrow aisle truck and moved to the final storage location. The order picking process involves putting together certain numbers of certain parts based on the order. The warehouse management system defines which articles need to be prepared in what amount. And on the other hand, the warehouse navigation system assists in finding the location where the material is stored. The employee who then picks has to do just one thing: give it some gas. The warehouse navigation plays a key role in the order picking process because it allows the employee to continually work at a high level of quality in his capacity. If we didn't have the warehouse navigation, the employee's performance would decrease after 3 to 5 hours. It doesn't mean that the employee works slowly, but rather that the quality is right. The highlights with Jungheinrich were, firstly, we had a project manager who took all orders from us within Jungheinrich and coordinated with the functions. Secondly, all three functions were from a single source, and we had just one contract partner. Thirdly, Switzerland has very strict conditions regarding work safety. And with Jungheinrich, we received a good final report on this point, which was also ultimately recognized by the authorities.
Jungheinrich.